Welcome. My name is Jacob Bofalter. I am going to be delivering the exciting, dynamic, and inspiring lectures on the history of philosophy for the rest of the semester, but I'm sure you already knew that. Let me tell you a little bit about my background. I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. I went to Jesuit high schools, which meant lots of emphasis on history. Then I took a year as an exchange student and after that, enrolled in the University of Chicago. I got a degree in Fundamentals, Issues in Text, which was an interdisciplinary humanities degree. Then I worked for a couple years and I went out to California for graduate school. I got a master's and PhD in history, focusing on ethics and social political philosophy. My dissertation dealt with tolerance. I argued that tolerance is a virtue and then talked about what the belief that tolerance is a virtue would imply for various things in politics. As for my qualifications to teach this course, I've been teaching ethics for over a decade now. Right? I teach a lot of applied ethics, right? But I've also taught some courses in theory of ethics and social political philosophy. I am an amateur, very amateur historian. Okay, I'm not trained as a historian, but I have a strong interest in the history of philosophy. I actually have a publication on how to teach the history of early modern political philosophy. And I have a strong personal interest in philosophy. Amid some of my bedtime reading is historical works or ancient texts. So I have a strong interest in it, and I took a good deal of coursework on it in graduate school. As for me personally, well, in my spare time, I like to sing, including some fairly archaic music, and I like to play board games. So now that I've told you about myself, I want to hear about you. So go to your group discussion board and look for the thread that says personal introduction. Post something about yourself. Tell us who you are, where you're from, what your major is, and why you decided to take this class. And then some interesting other fact about yourself that we'd like to know. And of course, I want you to later go back and reply to some of your other students. So that concludes my introduction. I will see you on the discussion boards.